time is now 6:50 a.m. I have finished my shift this morning. My shift was actually from 4:30 to 8:30, but girlfriend got them boxes out of there quickly. I have 2 boxes that I have to return to the station, but I won't be returning them joints until tomorrow. I might return them later. Might is the operative word. I may. I don't know. Am I tired? Am I tired? No, I am not tired. Is it like any other shift? Yes, it is. I had 44 packages. But I was all in one area, so that's why I just was like, bam, bam, bam. But, yeah, I enjoyed it. I will do another one because here's the hack. I'm off. I'm about to wake and bake. I'm automatically go back to sleep. And then proceed with my day. But let me check something real quick. It's that time. Color time. And I'm sweating bullets. Ooh, I'm hot. Listen, you know I haven't spoken to anyone. Grand Rising, what's up, what's goody, what's poppin'? Welcome to this Saturday vlog with your girl Tasha. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on all your post notifications so that you do not miss another video. Y'all, it has been about a week since I posted. That's because my phone storage has been full. Phone storage is on full. But we're up. It's Saturday morning. I'm about to wash my face. The color I did last night, y'all, came out a little fiery. It's not my usual, but we're gonna rock with it. Lashes coming up. I must have slept hard. But how y'all doing? I think I kind of forgot how to doggone vlog, y'all. Borderline. Not sure what we're gonna get into today. I definitely want to twist my hair. Right now, I'm forced to sit still. If you ever want to see a black girl in her natural stance, honey, this is me, plus some color. Y'all, we are on a in my natural beauty. I'm shining like new money, but I do have my face raking on. How y'all doing? Today is gonna be Saturday makeover. I'm on the way to the gas station. Shout out to my mom for saving my life. On my way to the gas station, get some gas so that I can continue to flex, and also go and get some edge cream for my hair. So I can go ahead and do it and get it out the way. I also want to do my nails too, so here's the gas station. We made it. Wow, it's good. Girl, this gas high. See my color in the light? It's not the same color as my usual red. So I have my red at home, and I'm gonna go home. And I'm gonna correct it. I don't like it. This is orangey red. I'm gonna go home and put my red on top. See? It's orangey. I probably didn't even do that whole process right. I don't know. I can't really tell. I can't really see. Y'all, it's hard to tell out here, but I done jumped in the car and I feel like riding now. But they don't have any flexes up there worth my time. So I'm gonna go right back home. That building is right now. So I'm gonna go right back home once I leave from this big supply store. I was just thinking about my grandma. She lost her first child. It's just crazy. I just tried to call her, but she didn't answer. So I'll have to try to call her another time. Definitely. Oh, I gotta go get this fire red about my head, first of all. And I got the color right at home, honey. This is out of here, out of here. And I'm trying to ask Amazon, can I transfer my flex up there for a week and go up there and work? If I can, baby, I am out of here. I am gone. Yeah, why is my hair like this? That's not what I wanted. I might end up getting a whole nother... I'll be back here. I'm disgruntled. But we are headed down Emily Road, headed towards Beauty Giant. But how have y'all been, honestly? How's y'all's mental health been? How about that? Excuse how I look. My mental health, I'm trying to keep this phone down because this man beside me keep on trying to ease up and get in my face. These people be really, really killing me sometimes. But at any rate, how's your mental health? My mental health is splendid. Once you learn how to let people live in their own skin, and you start to stay in your own lane, nothing bothers you. Nothing bothers me. And I shake off other people's burdens. I get their stuff up off of me. I gotta get it up off of me because I have to get it up off of me because it starts to take over my mental space, my mental health, and I don't like it. I start to take on these feelings, and I am not taking on nobody else's feelings. I don't cause any pain for myself. I'm not going to be taking on anybody else's pain. I mean, to a certain extent. You know what I'm saying? To a certain extent. I think my other videos was just blurry. I just looked down at my lap and realized that I had the camera part facing my lap with all my moisture therapies and cocoa babies with all my stuff on. But I'm about to run into the beauty supply store. We're focused and we're only going in here to get, this is going to probably be, why does this feel weird? This is going to probably be my last time even coming to a beauty supply store because I'm thinking about opening a 24-hour supply store out of the house. And that supply store is going to have 24-hour hair. And I have meeting points. After a certain time, you will have to pay more because I'll have to abrupt myself, you feel me? Depending on the distance. It's something that Destiny had put me on before because she uses this lady that lives out there where she lives at. And she does it out of her garage. So I'm like, hey, make my space make money, you feel me? So I'm not going to do it in my car because when I first moved over here where I lived at, they broke in my car, girl, and stole all my wigs. Pookie took all my wigs. I didn't even know for 2 weeks when I went looking for them. Like, now, I should have a bag with my senior jacket that my mom then bought me from high school This other jacket, oh my God, if I accidentally threw that in the trash, I'm gonna be so mad. And I just thought about it like 2 days ago. I just thought about, oh my God, I don't even want to think about it. Come on. Going in, I know they see me seeing them. Who is this? Now that's what I'm talking about. You know y'all about the only supply store that got all these wigs? Man, these people, I went in my regular supply store on Raleigh Road. They talking, girl, they had about 15 wigs over there. I said, what's going on? They used to have like a whole lot of them, you know? Hey, no, what the problem is, man, and I'm videoing it, because y'all got a gazillion. That's because y'all stay on y'all shipping. Y'all don't wait until everything is gone, you know, especially at a time like this, you know? This is my favorite beauty supply store. Let's see. I need to, hold on. Come to my supply store over here. A million wigs. All right. I think I just walked out of the best beauty supply store in Vietnam, Beauty Giant. I'd be ashamed to be in this cute coming out of a car like this. Oh my gosh. It should be a crime to be this cute coming out of a car this damn dirty. Ooh, baby, I got to get to work. Let me go home and order these parts from my car so that this car can get right. Cause girl, what's going on? So y'all, I just thought of a real good craft that I can do for my kids. I'm gonna make them keepsake boxes, but not really keepsake. Sorry, I'm tilted, but not really keepsake boxes, but more so like totes. I've been saving this stuff all over the years, and I just want them to have it. I think it'll be cute. I got a whole project in mind. All right, y'all, we are back home. I was about to say, why is my light coming on with a delay? We're about to drink some. You know what? I am a Pookie glass. Y'all, inbox me. The I am a Pookie glasses is only $5. $5 for a lifetime. Get yours. I am about to have me a glass of great cranberry juice. Probably gonna make some pancakes in a little bit, but not right now. Room temp. So this is what I picked up at the supply store. Very, very good for braids and locks. Boom. I do need to, let me get some yogurt. I'm gonna eat strawberry and blueberry. Now I'm gonna stand here and talk to y'all for a second because we haven't caught up or anything. But yeah, I have a graduation dinner to go to today of one of Boogie's friends. Actually, it's the boy who's gonna be his actual roommate in college. Do y'all stir up y'all's yogurt? I do. Some people put oats and like oatmeal in it, but I don't really granola oats. Will I put raw oatmeal in here? I don't know. I need to ask my son. But I know it helps my stomach tremendously. And the only ones that I like is this one right here. The Yoplait one. This is the best one. I have Activia. That's one. I haven't had the Greek one yet, but ooh, so I could meal prep. I could meal prep. Let me do something real quick. Thought I saw a fruit fly come out of my drain. Anyway. So that's what they were doing. They take their yogurt, layer the yogurt that they like, add more. So because this is blueberry, I would do everything around blueberries. Like, I would have this, I would have extra blueberries, and I would have like what? Granola or something like that. But how would I get my green? Sprinkle some of the powder on top? I don't know. Interesting. What do y'all think? Any health people in here? Now the strawberry. So I would do the strawberry one the same way. I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. Or I could layer it. Different yogurts. I could layer it. Ooh, that would be cool. And then that could be my breakfast. We're gonna try that. I'm gonna layer. I'm gonna do yogurt, blueberries, yogurt, strawberry. Guys, I had purchased this mini waffle maker from the thrift store. We're gonna test it out today. The brand is Nostalgia. Oh, it's really a sandwich maker. Whatever. I thought I had a waffle maker. This is a mini sandwich maker. I don't know about that. Thought I did. Alright, baby, so I'm about to use this the concentrated 7 dust, but it's the concentrated part, the insect killer. It's gonna go on my plants just in case there's any gnats floating around, and then I'm gonna mix it with water. To kill them all. Death to them all. Then I'm going to shake it up. And spray my plants. So I'll just move some back here in the kitchen. You see them back there in the background? Shake it up. Shake it up. And then I'll do the ones outside. But yeah, setting dust in the liquid form. All right, let's get ready to wash dishes so that I can make something to eat. Excuse me. As you can see, y'all, they have changed the name of the pancakes to Pearl Milling. Who is Pearl Milling Company? We're going to find out who she is. But I'm making some pancakes for the fellas. 2 plates for the 2 guys. All right, y'all. 2 happy campers down. I done cooked all that for them. I ain't even hungry. I'll make mine in a little bit. I ain't ready yet. I make mine in a little. I gotta have me another coffee. Can y'all tell that my little exercise has been working? Look. So it's helping out my dip hips. The dip hips are going away, they're going away, they're going away. And all I be doing is my little leg. Love it. I can't wait to go to the gym. Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness. I'm gonna be working out. Yeah. Alright. What it do, y'all? I came to bring my neighbor over here by the fire station to get 2 fish plates from the Foxfire Community Fish Fry. They over here frying it up too, boy. I would show y'all, but I ain't getting out. I don't even plan on being out here long. I was getting ready to chill. It's 94 degrees outside. I'm about to put this color in my hair when I get back to the house. Oh, I'm cramping. Y'all. Man, you give people an inch, they take a mile. Now her home, girl. You better bring your ass now. I'm ready now. You trying to catch this ride. So it's your girl. Got my wine, and I am walking to the pool where my daughter and my grandkids are at. She said it looked like somebody's having a family reunion up here. Nevertheless, I'm outside. How y'all doing on this beautiful day? I'm swell. Sorry y'all getting this angle. Oh, it's packed up here. Hold on. Poolside beauties. Look at Stormy. My little shorty wop went to the pool. Did you have fun at the pool, Mama? Yes. You cold now? Yeah, we're gonna go and get you out them clothes. So we're walking back home from the pool, y'all. It was a good little time, a good little vibe. The little DJ was up there crunk for a little bit, but the sky is totally gray, as you can see behind me, and we was not gonna be trying to run all the way home from the rain. So my little homie walking home with me, my baby who is gonna go everywhere I go. Ain't that right, Mama? We can go take these wet clothes off. Uh-oh, come on. Your towel falling off? You got it? Okay.
Mommy, where's Daddy go?
They coming to my house. They in the car. Look at those doggies over there.